Hey guys, 90s technology kind of sucks sometimes compared to some of the new products on the market. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to install a new truck bed light that's LED, so it drains less power, and it's also going to be much brighter so I can see everything in the back of my truck bed. My old truck bed light was dim like this light here. I just unscrewed it with 2 screws and 1 clip. Just going to clean around this before we put this on. There we go. Put this clip back. Right there. Took that in, it just plugged right into the old housing. And then 2 stainless screws to hold it in. I guess I should have got black head screws, but this will work. Looks like a good seal on the top, not so great on the bottom. Looks like there's quite a bit of a gap there. But what I could do, I could either silicone it in place, or I can add another strip underneath there. So let's see how it does. We'll see if we even like it. So you just saw me install this light. I wasn't happy with the foam that goes around, and in some spaces it doesn't really connect well. So I don't know much about electronics, don't know much about trucks. What I do know is how to mask something off so I can put some silicone on it to protect it. So I got a gap underneath, got a little gap around the edge. You can kind of see. It's not very big. It's just between the truck and the housing. Okay. So, and then this is where I'm not too happy. Like, there's a big gap right there, and there's a big gap. Underneath is going to be way more important than the top, but I have a little bit of just silicone. Okay, just kitchen and bath, it doesn't really matter. Just going through. Whoop. Come around this edge over here. What I want to do, I want to put a little bit more. I got just enough in here for this job. Okay, I'm just going to wet my finger. I'm going to use this cardboard box to wipe my finger off. Just going to come around and just smooth it out, just like that. That, my friends, is about it. Just get rid of a little bit more excess. That looks good at the bottom. Okay, I have to peel it off carefully. Okay. A little bit at a time, making sure I don't get any silicone on the paintwork. Okay, I got this glob on my finger, but just trying to be careful. I want to do it while it's still wet so that I get a nice clean break in the silicone. If you let it dry, it can create a hard edge on the side. So I just lick my finger a little bit and then just bring it along just to smooth that out. Okay, a little bit more on the outside. Okay. Let's see what it looks like down there. And again, another little smooth. I think that should be good. Very careful. Starting to clean my fingers every time I touch this tape, just in case, because I don't want to spread it. You see, that one got me really good on the thumb. I don't want to get any more anywhere else, so just kind of clean my fingers off as I go. Okay, see how we look. Yeah, that's more like it. We're sealed down there now. Okay. Sides look good, top looks good. Okay. Looking good. Okay, that's the top. Nice side. And then the all important underneath. Perfect. Now it's watertight, so when I clean the car and spray water up at it, it's not going to go inside the cab. It didn't take very long. It was probably about 10 minutes with masking off and siliconing. Here we are with the new light at night. As you can quite clearly see, it lights up the bed pretty well. It's a lot brighter than the dimmer OEM light, so awesome. Works great, and I can see everything in my bed.